Ego string trimmer, 15-inch, 56 volt. On the left, I got a carbon fiber version. On the right, I had the telescopic aluminum shaft version. You got to say that with real pizzazz. And basically, I'm gonna just be comparing the two, the weight, the length. I'm going to test the RPM of both. The aluminum shaft can be shortened or extended, and right now it's in a shortened position. As you can see, it's a little shorter, and right here is the extended position. It's still a little bit shorter, but it's nice that you can, change the different lengths. Alright, so now I'm going to test the weight of both. I took the string out of each one of the trimmers, and so this one is the carbon fiber shaft. So as you can see, it's about 6 pounds. And again, this is the carbon fiber shaft. And next is the aluminum. And you can also see I took the string out of this one. This one was a little bit heavier at about 7 pounds. So about 1 pound heavier. And I'll show again, this is the aluminum shaft version. Next, I'm going to test the speed of the retraction. So you put the string in on one side, and then you just pull it through. And then you press that green button at the top, and it automatically retracts the string. Making it pretty easy so you don't have to wind the string up like traditional ones do. So I just wanted to see if there was a difference between the two, and the aluminum one does do it faster. It really doesn't matter though. This one only rotates clockwise and not counterclockwise, and this one freewheels. Now I'm testing the RPM of both, and so the aluminum has two different speeds, a low and a high. The carbon fiber only has one speed, and so the first one we're going to test out is the aluminum at low speed. Now we switch to high. Let's see. So as you can see, it's a difference of about almost 200 RPM when they both hit high. So now we're going to have the president demonstrate some of the vibration tendencies. Go ahead, give it a crank. Tell me what you think. Alright, turn it on high. So flip that switch. Alright. Alright. So what'd you think? How they feel?
One is a little bit shaky. That one is shaking. This one, carbon fiber, is shaking.
I can't hear you. Look at me.
Carbon fiber isn't really shaky, but the metal is pretty shaky.
So the metal.
Somebody who likes having one hand vibrating, they would like that.
Like what? The aluminum one?
Yeah.
Oh, so it vibrates more.
Yeah.
Alright, well let's test it out with the cuts. Alright, go ahead, knock that out. So what you think?
That one is, this one is a little bit, this one, it just turns down the shaky when you cut it.
So it doesn't shake as much when you're cutting?
Yeah.
Huh. Which one feel nicer, or they kind of both the same?
This one is a little bit heavier.
Oh, hold on. I need to hear that. What'd you say?
This one is a little bit heavier.
Oh, okay. So that's heavier by almost a pound.
Yeah.
So you kind of like the way that one feel?
Yeah.
Carbon fiber? Alright. Alright, well, let's...
It's fun.
But it's fun?
Mm-hmm.
So which one do I like both? I'm not 100% sure. I kind of like them almost both the same. So I was using the 2.5 amp hour battery for both. They do have a 5 amp hour. I did use that towards the end. Obviously it's double the weight. But yeah, I mean the aluminum it has more features and it's heavier and you can feel it. The carbon fiber doesn't have as many features, but it's lighter. But they both work just as good. And as far as that extra RPM that I really notice a difference, not really. But yeah, I'm thinking of probably creating an attachment for these these strings. And as you can see, they kind of like are different colors on both sides. So I was thinking about making a 3D printing some kind of attachment to keep the string on the actual trimmer itself. Just a little fun project to do, and maybe down the road I'll at first I'm gonna do it as like a crankshaft, and then maybe I'll do it later as put like a little motor in it, and I can just flip a switch and put the string in there, and this will be like a storage compartment. So right here I have the EcoFlow battery generator. I was able to charge the 2.5 amp hours up about 6 times off this battery generator, and about four times on the 5 amp hour batteries, which is double the size. So this worked pretty well, and I was able to it's pretty mobile, so I can take it where I want, and I can charge while I'm still cutting. So that thing worked out perfect. That was the EcoFlow Mini.